I think it's Anand sir's baby, which I think he should talk about. And he has already put in a lot of hours, and it's been going on for a lot of months now. I remember talking in January, and he's been so excited about launching this. So many months have gone in just preparing for this. So I'm very, very sure that the product that's going to come out, it's going to be just amazing. And for the students, I just want to say one thing, that if you want to, learn one thing from sir, that is compassion, right? I'm sorry, my daughter's, yeah.
That's okay.
You can say hello. So basically, it's compassion, which is the main thing. I think, sir, it's great because when a student walks in, especially in the first month, I think it is very intimidating going into a whole different branch. Even though as MBBS students we are posted in the wards, but going in as an MD resident in any clinical branch for that matter, it's very, very scary. So if you have something or somebody to hold your hand through it, I think that makes their life very, very easy. And that's what we've been seeing, right? As soon as students pick up a seat, they look forward to getting conceptual. That's what they now tell us, even in cerebellum, that we want to go from cerebellum to conceptual. So I think that is what this has become as a bridge, for all of our students to stay connected with all of us.